Good morning, class. Welcome to the new lesson, that is chapter number 18, ecosystem. Ecosystem means what? Ecosystem is a biosphere, मतलब एक ऐसा area in which living and non-living things are present together. Living things like animals, human beings, cat, dog, etc. And non-living things, air, stone, soil, water vapors, all. And they all are interdependent. ऐसी जगह को इकोसिस्टम्स बोलते हैं. See, ecosystems, there are living things and non-living things are present. This living things is known as a biotic factor and non-living things is known as abiotic factor. Living things is also known as biotic factor and non-living things is known as a abiotic factor. Biotic like elephant, ants, lotus, algae, plants, animals, human beings, etc. Abiotic sunlight, stone, water vapor, soil, air, etc. They are abiotic factors. In ecosystem, both these factors are present and both are interdependent. Interdependent म्हणजे ये इसके ऊपर डिपेंड रहता है और ये इसके ऊपर डिपेंड्स रहता है. सो नाउ राइट द डेफिनेशन ऑफ इकोसिस्टम. आफ्टर राइटिंग दिस चार्ट, राइट द डेफिनेशन ऑफ इकोसिस्टम इन योर नोटबुक. Now come to the another factor, abiotic. Abiotic factors are also two types: physical abiotic, chemical abiotic factors. Physical abiotic factors like air, water, soil, minerals, sunlight, etc. They are the physical abiotic factors. Chemical abiotic factor is two types: inorganic and organic. Inorganic and organic. Organic substance is what? Organic substance means the substance which are directly formed from the plant or animal origin is known as a organic substance. I repeat the definition of this one once again. The substance which formed from the directly or indirectly from the plant and animal origin is known as organic substances. For example, proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, etc. One more you can add, GHEE, घी जो आप लोग खाते हो, that is also made from the plant origin. Organic substance. Inorganic substance is what? The substance which is made from the minerals. The substance which is made from minerals are known as inorganic substances. For example, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, calcium, potassium, iron, etc. They all are inorganic abiotic factors in an ecosystems. Now, in the definition, one statement is there, both are depend to each other. मतलब अबायोटिक एंड बायोटिक दोनों एक दूसरे के ऊपर डिपेंड्स रहते हैं. उसका एक एग्जांपल्स मैं आपको बताता हूँ. लाइक आवर क्लासरूम. इन ए क्लासरूम बायोटिक फैक्टर्स क्या हो गया? वी आर स्टूडेंट्स, टीचर्स, वी आर बायोटिक फैक्टर्स. अबायोटिक फैक्टर वॉल, blackboard, air, light, benches, they are the abiotic factors. See, अगर क्लासरूम में बेंचेस नहीं रहेंगे, चॉक्स नहीं रहेगा, एयर नहीं रहेगा, लाइट रहेगा, तो हम लोग पढ़ नहीं सकते हैं. दैट मीन्स हम लोग उसके ऊपर डिपेंड है. हमको पढ़ने के लिए चॉक, लाइट, एक फ़ैन, बुक्स, टेक्स्ट बुक, बेंचेस की ज़रूरत है. सेकेंड थिंग, अगर ये सब है और हम नहीं रहेंगे क्लास में तो उनका मतलब ही नहीं है. दैट मीन्स दे आर ऑल्सो डिपेंड्स ऑन अस. So we can say biotic and abiotics are depend to each others. Understood? Write this whole chart in your notebook with the examples, and your homework is you have to write the definition of inorganic substance, organic substance, decomposers, producers, primary consumers, secondary consumers, and tertiary consumers with the examples. Then in the next lecture we will continue the same lesson.